This is our bonding adhesive for EPDM, TPO, and PVC roofs. And we have Quick Connect hose technology that allows you to quickly connect up a gun to it with a simple connection. And an airless hose, so you don't have to keep cleaning it out every night, and you don't have to keep it pressurized, so it's safer. And we have a gun for dispensing a nice fine mist. And we also, for larger volumes, we can connect up to the larger tank, which usually does about 160 square one side. And you just quickly connect up like that. No mess, you don't get it on your hands, you don't have to wrench. To clean these hoses out, we simply connect up to an aerosol tank of cleaner and it blows out the hoses. So again, very simple, don't need mechanized equipment.